So we started our new project. I'm just giving you guys a look at the second day that we're in. So now we're trying to finish the back section, as you see there. We already finished this house here. Here we already started our brickwork. As you see there, we are like quarter way on the back. So as you see here, we already finished our side section here. The video is already uploaded for this section, so you can go and check it out as well. I'm not even gonna keep you guys waiting no longer. Let's dive right into the video, guys. Hope you enjoy it.
Half of the car ahead. Never head over yet.
We form our 45. So now you're gonna put a 45 over this side, just like so, and then here you're gonna put a full brick. You're gonna do vice versa. See? 45 here. Over here is a full. Next course you change it over, put a full one here and a 45 over the other side. That's basically how you do it.
So you cut here. From here.
Yeah, Dick did do it, man. Alright, great. You know.
Hey, I want to go make a.
Hey, how are you guys doing? So now we're gonna start to work on our Octagon. You guys are staying safe in this difficult time that we're going through all over the world.
Over this one.
This is Mr. Green. I know you guys are be like, Green? Who name's Green? Yes, that's his name. Yeah, man. It's a unique name this guy has. You'd have to ask yourself who give it to him. Don't ask me to ask me. You about actually ask who give you that name, Green.
Purchase for big money.
Oh man, why is the pocket gotta be high? Okay. Buy that name.
Anytime I take one from down, there's one less you have to put on.
Wait, buddy.
I work to
leave
leave.
some of them ones over there. guys, so now is the time we need to check to see what we gotta mark, gotta work. So here it says we gotta work 1 and 2. We need to mark in the center of 1 and 2. You keep checking your tape, you're gonna see the same number keep repeating. All you have to do is just put the mark right in the center of 1 and 2. Sign up, what's going on? Me remember that boat, I see how much? 24. What's up there, come? I'm a girl up
have one last week on birthday. And last year, the same time I get screwed.
You get it over there already?
No, the accident that I was telling you about. Is this mine where you cut from here, no? You sure?
No, it's after this. I'm going to put it here. You need cut me to this. You need to make it cut to you, you don't need to see how I need it. Try and get them line up. Hey guys, you want to use as much precise as possible as you see. So Octagon, the Bricklaying is basically what we want to strength of the wall. I want to use as much as possible. Hey digger, you know, so if you put them out Swiss one and come in, it'll take me 10 minutes to cut the whole of them like 40 brick here. Yeah man, 40 take to finish just. And Swiss when they come, how long it take you?
You don't take long to do nothing flex.
No, if I leave them back pop off and it take forever.
One thing I tell you, any man learn from you, wanna learn. We don't want to learn.
Yeah man, actually so fast, so far.
Learn from you.
Sometimes a man will say my work slow, but you don't know more pressure you put on yourself. Because it takes longer to do it. Oh yeah, here we are. Because you're not being it. When we just go boom and chop them out fast. And less pressure from my back.
The line's supposed to be undisturbed. Awesome. Okay.
Take it from the pro. Almost 40 years in construction. Listen what he says and you might learn something.
It's not accurate. No, sir.
Yeah, well, you could be doing it from your 20 something. Because I've been doing it from way before I was in my 20s.
No, just put it
Put it on this.
so.
You need to put an arm right there. So get a double arm. One a big one.
Ask him one down there, so see down there, so just ask him for you know. See one down right on your foot.
You want the 2-foot one. I labor not see what I go on the green. You see, you know, normal labor with a set up so when you reach up, everything get there wait for you. And when you reach up, you have to say, I have to tell you this. And I see him thing them I do every day. Yeah, understand it.
And I read the play. We start there now.
Yeah, man, make it stay. Put over here now. Put over here. Need more cavity?
Yeah. That's why I said check up there for me.
It's plumb there. It's good. It's good. Next side, Papa. I don't have time to play with you here.
Is he playing? How?
Looks good to me.
No, it's a little bit
That's
out.
where it's plumb to me. Someone help. See how nice I am? I'm helping out Maple Green guys. Look how nice I am.
Oh, nice. He's the boss. He's supposed to help.
Oh man, no one helped me. One bust bullet like a shot.
This is how hard I've got to work for my money, then I give it away. How stupid am I? Yeah, you know. Look how hard I've got to work for my money, and I just happen to love some girls and give away my money. What a lucky girl. It's nice to give though, you know, it's always nice to give. Especially when you do it from your heart, eh? Yeah, they'll find me soon. You're crazy. You are a crazy guy, Mr. Flex. You are a crazy guy, Mr. Flex. brush.
Oh boy, this guy don't have no tool here, YouTube. You believe this? Oh my God.
I got my own tool inside.
Oh,
let me go for my brush, let me go for my joiner. So on the other side of the scaffold. Holy smokes.
Keep on do over and over. Just repeat the same process every time we go up the bricks. Prepare so we don't have to stay there and wait for you guys.
Muito bom.